everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Very delicious chicken pizza and very easy to make. I'll show you today how to make delicious chicken pizza. And let's get started. These are the ingredients I'm going to use. Dough. There is no yeast added into this dough. How did I make it? I have a video posted on my channel, so please check it out. Store-bought sauce is a traditional pizza sauce. Chicken breast. I cut the chicken breast into small thin slices and I washed with the cold water. We're going to saute the chicken breast in krai with salt and black pepper. Mozzarella cheese, and this is the pan I'm going to use. Start burner. Get a krai. Add 2 teaspoons olive oil. As the oil heated up, add chicken. Mix it. And we're going to cook chicken until it's fully cooked. Chicken breasts don't take that long to cook. Cooking for 1 minute. Now we're going to add salt and black pepper. You always add according to your taste. Mix it well. Bring gas on low. Cover with the lid, and we're going to cook for 3 minutes. Cooking for 3 minutes. As you can see, we wash chicken and it release all the water. And now we're going to turn the gas high and cook it. If we cut the chicken pieces, any pieces, it's nicely cut through. It's fully cooked. And now on a high gas, cook additional 1 minute until it dries out. Cooking another minute. As you can see, there is no water content. It's all ready. Turn off the burner, and I'm going to dish out. And this is the chicken we're going to use for our pizza topping. I'm going to use 11-inch pan. Add vegetable oil, and we're going to grease the bottom with the help of brush. Our dough is ready. As you can see, it's nicely done. So we're going to place it right in the middle, and we're going to press it on the side. Once it's nicely flattened, now get a fork, and with the help of fork, poke it at many places. So this is how it looks. Now we're going to add the traditional pizza sauce. Add mozzarella cheese. Good layer of mozzarella cheese, and now we're going to add the chicken pieces. This is going to be the most delicious chicken pizza you're going to have. A lot of chicken. And a good layer of mozzarella cheese. With the help of brush, get some vegetable oil and cover it, all the edges, the side. This is perfect. As you see, the oven is preheated. We're going to open it. We're going to place the tray inside, right on the middle rack, just like that. And we're going to close it. It's nicely done. The bread looking really nice. So we're going to dismiss it, and we're going to start broil on high, and we're going to start for 1 minute. So we're going to set the timer for 1 minute. So once it's going to turn off after 1 minute, then we're going to leave it another minute, then we're going to pull it out. 1 minute on broil. So we're going to dismiss that. We're going to cancel it. And now the oven is off. And now we're going to leave 1 more minute inside. Once it cools down, then we'll take it out. We waited another minute. I'm going to open it and we're going to pull it out. Very delicious chicken pizza. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.